Okay, good evening once again, my dear children. Welcome back to Pragna Institute Biology classes. So today, once again, we are going to discuss about another new topic. In the last class, we have discussed about the diffusion and its importance. Okay, and also one of the scientists, Thomas Graham, conducted experiments on the diffusion of gases. But today, one more new lesson. That lesson name is diversity in living organisms. Repeat all of you. So diversity, you must understand the meaning of the diversity. Diversity means what, Nana? Differences or variation. Differences or variations. Now, I show you few leaves. You have to observe and tell the difference among them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to observe the leaf. This is the piper beetle leaf. What is it?
Piper beetle leaf.
Did you observe?
Yes.
Look at leaf, everyone. Okay. Next one. You have to observe this leaf. Its structure, its margin, its venation, its length, its shape, its size, everything you have to observe. Right? Okay. I show one more leaf. This is the oleander leaf. What, Nana? Oleander. In Telugu we call it as ganneru. What, Nana?
Ganneru.
Not tanneru, ganneru. Okay, now you have to observe it. Okay, now next one more leaf I show you. Okay, now and this is one more leaf. So here I have shown you 5 leaves now. 5 leaves. Okay. What difference did you observe here? Are they same?
No.
Are they same in size?
No.
Are they same in shape?
No.
Length?
No.
Width?
No.
Margin?
No.
All are different. Venation?
No.
Venation also different. There is 2 types of venation. Parallel venation, reticulate venation. Okay. No leaf has same venation. My dear children, so among animals also do not have the same structure, same shape, same color, same height, same weight. Everything is, even though we have fingers, 5 fingers for this hand, no finger is same in size. Some are short, some are tall. Some are big, some are thin. Right, Nana? And it means animals also have the differences. Did you understand what is the meaning of the diversity?
Yes.
Differences. What, Nana?
Differences.
Repeat all of you.
Differences.
Or variations. Or what, Nana?
Variations.
Variations. So on this planet, lakhs of animals are there, lakhs of plants are there, but it is not possible to study about at a time, so that here scientists have been classified all the plants in different categories, all the animals in different categories, all the microorganisms in different categories now. All living organisms like divided into 2, majorly into 2 categories. What are they? Plants and animals. But here one more world is there, unseen world. What is that? Microorganisms. What, Nana? Microorganisms. The microorganisms means organisms which are unable to see with our naked eyes are called microorganisms. We can see only with the help of microscope. Such microorganisms are grouped into 5 phylums. What are they? Virus, bacteria, fungus, algae, protozoa. Plants classified into two categories. What are they? Cryptogams, phanerogams. Okay now, animals, invertebrates and vertebrates. In that many groups are there. What are they? One by one will be discussed in the coming classes. Now, the history of classification in the world. For the first time, see Nana, what happens? Who observed the variations or differences among the organisms? Charles Darwin. Who is that, Nana?
Charles Darwin.
Charles
Darwin.
Okay, now what he said? He observed about the variations. He observed the differences among the animals, and he explained all the things in the book which is written by Charles Darwin. Is called the Origin of Species. What, Nana? Origin of Species in 1859. Which year, Nana? 1859. Okay, when he was 22 years old, okay, he voyaged means sea journey for 5 years in the ship HMS Beagle. He visited the Galapagos Island and studied the finch birds. Then after he explained all the differences in the book is called Origin of Species. Okay, now Origin of Species. But then the classification. What, Nana? Classification and evolution. Classification and evolution. What is classification? It means the process of identification, naming and classification is called the taxonomy. What, Nana? Is called the taxonomy. The word taxonomy is introduced by the A.P. de Candolle. A.P. de Candolle. Okay, now did you understand what is classification? Classification is nothing but process of dividing the organisms into different categories. But then here taxonomy. Taxonomy means what, Anna? The process of identification, nomenclature and classification is called taxonomy. But then what is evolution? Evolution means what, Anna? The process of acquiring changes is called evolution. But then what is the history of classification in India? In India, in the first and second century, about the classification in the first and second century, Charaka and Sushruta. These two scientists classified the plants into different categories depending on medical importance. Repeat, all of you.
Medical importance.
What are the names of the scientists?
Charaka and Sushruta.
Okay, now medical importance. Later one more scientist in India, Parasara. Who, Nana? Parasara. In his book, that book name is called what, Nana? Vrukshayurveda. Repeat, all of you. Vrukshayurveda. So he documented the classification system for the land plants for the first time. Okay, now for the land plants for the first time. What is land plants for the first time? The classification system mainly introduced about the structure of the flowers. Means what, Anna? Parasara explained the classification system based on the structure of the flowers. Okay, now later many scientists, Carolus Linnaeus, Haeckel and Charton, Copeland, Whittaker, Wood et al. And Cavaliers with they divided into different kingdoms. What are they? In the next class will be discussed about that. Okay, na children? Okay, na?
Okay.
Did you understand about it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.